Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make horizontal shake in Capcut. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, perfectly match the video according to beat. Then add keyframe at start or middle of clip. After that, go to basic and apply slide left. In second clip, apply slide right. Then go to custom graph and follow my steps. Do same with other clips. Add white overlay from library and follow my steps. Do same with other clips. Now go to animation and apply horizontal blur at 0.2 seconds. Do same with other clips. Now go to effect and add motion blur effect and follow my steps. Duplicate it once time and do same with other clips. Now go to effects and add oblique blur effect and follow my steps. Now go to effects and add shake effect, then follow my steps. Do same with other clips. Now the shake effect is ready, so go to adjust and follow my steps. Brightness 10, contrast 15, brilliance 30, sharpen 100, clarity 50, vignette 10. Add filter humble flash CCD and clear 2. Now go to effects and add black flash 2 effect. After that, go to effects and add edge glow effect. Then add delicate rays effect and follow my steps. That's it now, the video is ready, so export it. Thanks for watching.